Fumble, I'm Crystal Marine. After the Packers' 27-17 win over the Seahawks Sunday night, Aaron Rodgers seemingly took a shot at Seattle Seahawks quarterback Russell Wilson. Wilson is known to be very religious and often credits a higher power after victories and losses. Rodgers, who isn't known for making religious references, gave the credit to God after the Packers' big win. Answering a question about the Packers' victory over the Seahawks, Rodgers said, "And then getting help from God, I think God was a Packers fan tonight, so he was taking care of us."
Celebration. And then get it all from God. I think God was a Packer fan tonight, so he was taking care of us.
Rodgers appeared to be struggling to keep a straight face, and here's why. After the Seahawks defeated the Green Bay Packers in the NFC Championship last year, Wilson suggested God played a role in the outcome of the game. That's God setting it up to make it so dramatic, so rewarding, so special, Wilson said after the game. Rodgers was asked about God's preference of football teams in an interview shortly after. "I don't think God cares a whole lot about the outcome," Rodgers said. "He cares about the people involved, but I don't think he's a big football fan." Looks like Rodgers' recent comments were his way of taking a subtle jab at Russell Wilson. To watch Russell Wilson bust out the whip and nay-nay, click here. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for the best highlights from all your favorite sporting events.